Hi, my name is Thomas Südbrücker. I like to learn and I like to share what I've learned. And this is a reason why I have a blog and a YouTube channel. You're currently watching a YouTube video for me. This video is about exchange ideas about configurations of agents and skills. As you have seen about the Agentic IDEs, IBM Bob IDE, Agentic IDE, I showed in one of the last videos how to define review mode, for example, and a spec-driven development expert mode I created by myself and I used as an example in the video. And now I want to show you also broader community, open community, going to exchange their knowledge to be consumed in different agentic IDEs. You can also use in Bob. Here, that is what is called. It's called BMAD Method. Here, build more architect dreams, they call it. So it is for AI-driven agile development module, and that is interesting. And the reason now was I wanted to integrate it and wanted to check out, does that also work with IBM Bob? And the good thing is, as you can see here, when we go into the information of the license, it is an MIT license, so that you really can use it. It is open source. I created my own fork of that, and now I'm trying to install that. Therefore, I just go to follow what they said. So here is just the installation. I have here my Bob environment, and let's see what happens. Okay, I go to install, and I install it in my example directory I have now. I install it in this directory, and now you can see I can select, as far as I notice, what I want to install. Let me see. We have the core module, the test architect module. So let's see, can move up and select tab and space to select. So let's say here I will for now trying to just select everything, and I'm going to confirm it. Do you want to install custom or community modules, Git URL, or do you want to install custom? Yeah, I want to install that for sure. Git or local path. So I would say from my path, let me see here. What is my Git? At the moment, I will not use any additional other custom source. You can see that was the cloned one. Yeah. Selected official modules. So when I did that, then it only found 2 installable modules. Okay. Add custom source. No, I will not do. Pick to customize. A lot of new skills available. And then it seems to be ready to go. And say, let's see, Bob skills, help catalog. So, and I may be asked which agents are available. Let me see. No, I will not customize versions. Nope. Let me see. And there is IBM Bob. So let's install it. So we can leave that as it is. And that is your project. Let's see what happens. Express setup recommended. Choose modules to configure. Or let us go with the express setup. That's the first time I do that. So, and now see, okay. Setting up it for Bob. So let's see. When we do it here, and now we can see here that is now here installed. Now it starts here because that is a different configuration. I have here the agents from the Watson X orchestrate stuff. So that is not at the moment what is directly the right question to ask to get the agent which is here. Yeah, we need to keep in mind we have imported skills and not modes. And with that, we can access the skills with the /forward. With that, it is now we can have directly an interaction with the technical writer agent. So, hi, technical writer, what can you do for me? Let's see. You know that I like that. I like to see what happens. Yeah, so normally they call it babysitting, but I like it. Hi, Thomas. Yeah, cool. Hi, Thomas. I'm Paige, your technical writer. I'm going to help you capture, create project knowledge, making complex things. Okay, then I ask, what do you say about my current project? Okay. What do you say about my current repo in this workspace? Whoa, whoa, whoa. So let's see. Okay, for sure. Now we can see that Bob creates a sub-agent to do that stuff. List all the files. So we can see, okay, what does it? Okay, you can see what it writes now. So that the different context you can see. This is different context. It's not the same context we have here. Yeah, that is now interesting to see. And now it jumps back. That's done. And now it gives me a feedback. Strong. Hey, good. Gaps. Oh. Existing is empty. Okay. Bob mode export. Yeah. My takeaway. Yeah. Okay. A solid developer. How-to project. Ah, cool. Yeah. I think I will take a look a little bit more, or some looks a little bit more into all the functionalities here. And you can see when you have Bob, you're also free to add agents, configuration, and skills made also for other agentic IDEs. You can directly transfer that. And that is what I wanted also to show you. It is interchangeable. And I haven't done that before. Yeah, that's really cool. It was the first time I noticed that is possible. So I tried it out here live for you. And yeah, let's see what's next. Bye, Thomas.